Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired demo service vehicles, the 2019 Chevy Silverado. This vehicle is being sold as new with warranty, and it only has 3,851 miles on it. It is a four-wheel drive, double cab, standard box, all-star edition LT model that comes with a 2.7 liter turbo, 17 by 8 inch aluminum wheels, and your back tinted windows. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our black cloth seating. When it comes to the front, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating, your auto stop start push button, push to talk, a heated steering wheel, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.